What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on the video. I am at one of my local creeks, and I plan on going to the river today, so I need to stock up on bait. And I was like, well, while I'm here, I might as well, maybe do a little bass fishing and get lucky and snatch a couple cats out of here. I just made the treacherous journey through the ditch woods with the kayak, which is always not fun. But I'm here. Let's get fishing. Okay, had a bite. Another bite. Those bites felt tiny, really tiny, like bait fish tiny. If we're gonna cross the spot with some bait fish, might as well take advantage of it. Sometimes they're hard to find. Alright, red worms is what's on the menu for the bait fish. Brought my little 2-foot ice rod. Gosh, casting this little thing sucks. Oh yeah, not even where I wanted to cast, but that's the bait that I want right there. Catfish candy. I really like to have my worm back, bro. Can I get it? Part of it. Okay. It's a compromise. Another one. Got a good little start, which is good because that's, the bait is the most important thing of this trip. So try to catch something big out of here. Try to catch a big bass. Another in here. There we go. Look at that. Long-eared sunfish. Little cannibalistic little things. That's bait right there. That's the target size. Alright, nothing's liking the red breast storm bait. So I'm gonna pull out my little red trap here, see what she do. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not doing well. I guess I'm doing decent in the bait department, which I was really hoping to catch some bass. There we go. Slap myself in the face with it. It's gonna be sore for a few days. Alright, little spotted bass. Ooh, yes! Came out of nowhere. Oh, check out that little fat little plump spotted bass. Just sitting right here in the front and just came out of nowhere out from under a log or something. I have a lot of fun catching these guys. Oh, same place, another one. Freaking missed him though. There we go. Alright, these bass have talked me into it. I'm dragging the kayak over and going upstream a little. Going upstream just a little more. There we go. Oh! Gosh. It's a good one. This thing's fights so hard in here. This fish doesn't look like much. I'm telling you right now, if I would have caught him on my ultralight, that would have been way too much fun. So go. These schools of buffalo just everywhere, like they're rocking my boat back and forth. Gosh, there's some nice ones in here too. Never seen that before here. we go. Little bluegill on the trap. Oh my goodness, what was that? There we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. Nice fish. Get up here. Let's go. Look at that chunky guy. There was one. There we go. Yep, that's a smallie. First smallie of the day. Hopefully not the last. What's up, guys? I am here at the river. I wished I was taking that. I got my kayak here, I got it loaded down, I got some live baits, some big old poles, and I'm gonna find me a spot to camp out tonight and try to catch some fish. So stick around, let's try to get lucky. Alright, I'm encroaching on my spot here. We got this area picked where the two rivers meet. I'm gonna fish right in the middle. There's a giant eddy, comes right down through here, so I'm gonna pick this spot tonight. Hopefully it gets a lot of action. I'm gonna fish this eddy, fish the outside of the current, fish the seam. And yeah, hopefully it pays off. Lucky contestant number 1. What are we gonna get? Blue guile. Alright, contestant number 2. Long-eared sunfish. This one's getting hit too. I might start turning on here. I believe this one still got it in his mouth. Set it back in the rod holder. I don't want to mess it up. Oh, looks like there's a fish on there to me. Got him. Feels like a decent fish. What do we got? Stay on there. There we go. This guy's pissed. Come here. Oh. Target species acquired. Guys, it has been a long night. All my cameras have been off. I've been here for like 5 hours. And I'm supposed to storm bad tonight. It's lightning right now. And I'm pushing it. I was about to pack up. And I got one. Not nearly the size I was looking for, but I'm just tickled as can be to get a little flatty. That pole had a pretty good sized long-eared sunfish. It came out of its mouth. Oh yeah, nice fish. Alright guys, after a long night, that's what I have to show for it. Nice little flat top catfish. Alright, so I'm go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and skedaddle on down the river. I got a storm right on top of me. Starting to thunder and lightning some, so I got probably a mile to get back to the truck. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.